Hi there, my name is Levi and I'm a product manager here at Hover, and I helped build our new design feature. I'm going to walk you through that design feature today and give you tips and tricks on how to use it best. So starting on the new project detail page, you'll see our new design feature here listed as the first tile. You can see the way to start is by pressing Start Designing. Once you're on the inspiration feed, you'll see a top image, which is the upload from your scan or that you uploaded directly to this project. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see different styles that you can create with this functionality. These styles are pre-populated from our library of popular styles that are really great at helping homeowners understand new concepts of what their home could look like and gather preferences, right? So if you go up here to the top, you can actually adjust the styles that are shown. So let's say my homeowner is interested in white homes. I can go in and load a whole new set of inspiration images that appear with the white styles. There you go. Also in the top bar, I can choose different images from my scan that I can bring into the focus of the inspiration feed. So let's say I wanted to design with this front-facing image. I can click on that and be able to design different inspiration images with that photo as well. You can also see here at the very top of the feed is the original image. This original image is great if you want to start editing different areas of the home immediately without necessarily seeing inspiration. So let's do that. Let's design the original image of the home. As you can see, when I go in to design the original image of the home, at the top I have all the different categories that our system has recognized exist within your image. From there, you can see a search and filter button. You can see here I've had filters applied. I'm going to clear those so that you can see exactly how to find the products you're looking for. You can start by looking at brand or in any order you'd like. I'm going to start with brand. I'm going to say I want to see white James Hardie products that are lap siding. And all of the James Hardie lap products that meet that criteria will be listed. You can also opt to go in to search for a specific product. For example, Arctic White. And all the Arctic White products that we have in our library will be listed. Another feature here is being able to toggle on different areas to edit. So you can see here the different areas grouped together. If I was to press that, I can remove certain areas from my selection so that I can only edit the areas of the home that I wish to. In this example, I'm just going to show you how I would change all of the areas to the Arctic White lap. And as you add materials, you'll see your review materials sheet update with all the materials you have applied. This is a great way to keep track of all the different products that you have applied to your design. I'll also go in here and add a new roof so that you can see how easy it is to change one of your images to a new design. One of the great parts about this feature is that it's usable before your scan is complete. So let's say you're going in, you've scanned, you're waiting for your scan to come back with the 3D model, and as you wait, you can already start discussing different ideas, preferences, and products with your homeowner. You can also change the focus photo straight from this menu. I'm going to save this design before I do that. And you can see if I wanted to switch views, I can easily do that here. I can consult my saved designs by clicking into the top right where all of my saved designs will be listed. I can download my saved designs, I can share my saved designs, and I can see exactly what products are on the house. I can also share my design. You can see here the share button in the bottom right. A share link will be added to your clipboard, and when you enter into a new browser and see this, this is what your homeowner would be able to see. It's a view-only link, so they'll only see and be able to review the designs you've sent them, but they'll be able to see the original next to the edited version, along with all of your information. Another great new feature that we've added is the ability to transfer your 2D designs over to 3D. So if your 3D model is complete, you can do that by accessing the feature switcher down here in the action bar and switching from the design to the 3D. And as you'll see here, we'll actually transfer the saved designs. Another great feature that we've added to our design feature is being able to connect your 2D designs to your 3D designs. So once your 3D model is complete, all you have to do is access the feature switcher in the action bar to switch between design and 3D, and will automatically transfer the materials that you've applied in 2D over to your 3D model. You can choose to continue with those materials and see the additions that you've made on your 2D design reflected on your 3D model.